Hyenas
What do hyenas do?
eat people. Yeah, they do.
What other kind of animals are there?
Zebras.
What kind of animals?
Tigers, they eat meat.
Okay. And what else?
Bears eat humans.
Well, there's bears in Africa or no?
Yeah, bears in Africa. Are bears in Africa?
If you say so.
Yep, they are. Sharks, they eat people. Turtles, they just hide in their shells.
I see.
And alligators go in the swamp and chop people up.
What else can you tell me?
And what else is there? What? Snakes. Real big snakes. They chew you and kill you.
What other kind of snakes are there?
Tree snakes.
Tree snakes. What are trees?
Kill people. Make blood come out of their eyes under them.
Okay.
And their nose.
I see.
Because, I don't know.
You're silly.
I'll try facing the two.
You make funny faces too. Is it monkey face?
No, wait.
And what kind of animals are in the ocean?
Sharks and alligators and fish.
Fish? What kind of fish? What about
Jellyfish.
jellyfish? Jellyfish do.
Sting.
How do they sting you
With their tentacles.
though? Their tentacles?
Yeah, they do.
Uh-huh. And what about the rockfish? What does the rockfish do?
Have poison.
What does the rockfish's poison do?
Holds real bad.
And let's see, what other kind of animals did you learn about?
I wonder about. These are the animals I wonder about. Mom. There's 1, 2,
What kind of bugs?
3, and 4. Poison spiders.
Poison spiders. And what else?
When you when you put your hand on the rub, they put poison on you.
Right. And what else?
And those are the things that you see about. Hippos.
What do hippos do?
They hold your breath underwater for 5 minutes.
Wow. How big are their mouths?
Real big.
Can you show me? Can you make it big like that? Alright. Is that all?
Yeah. That's what I do.
Can you make a silly face?